Hello. In this video, I will show you how to delete a page in Word document. Now, it's a very easy process. So open your document. Now, just simply choose the page which you want to delete. So in my case, I want to delete the page number 5. Now, to find the exact page, click on the page option over here. Then click on the page option right over here. Now choose whatever page you want to delete. Now, just simply click on the page. Then press Ctrl and G on your keyboard. Then just simply type backspace, page, then click on go. And after that, just simply click on close and just simply press backspace on your keyboard. And that will delete the page, as you can see right over here. Now, let's say you just simply have a blank page and you want to delete that, like this over here. So doing that is extremely easy. Again, just simply go to this page option over here. That will open the navigation panel. And under page, just simply choose the blank page and just simply press backspace on your keyboard. And that will delete a blank page. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.